Today's topic is about the conversion of the array of the strings to the array of the float. Here we are going to use the three methods for it, which is using astype method, using np.fromString, and then using np.asArray function. Let's start from the first method, that is using astype. So here what we are going to do is we are going to pass an argument which is our targeted data type and a string which we are going to convert. That means in the as type function over here we are passing our data type in which we want to convert our array, which is array1, and then we are storing that value, storing them in the array2, and then we are displaying it. As you can see it over here, the array of the strings, they all are single quoted, highly highlighted, and the floats are not.